Today we are going to talk about promoting your music with UnitedMasters and a little bit without UnitedMasters. However, realistically, UnitedMasters is more of a distributor than a music promo platform, though it does have some pretty decent tools. So, obviously, we assume you have released songs or are at least planning a big release. The United Masters artist page is a great hub for all your content. You should be dropping this link on all your social media platforms, on music related posts. That way you can promote your merchandise, YouTube videos, and music all in one place. This is one of the biggest and best promo options on United Masters, undoubtedly. Next up is the ability to opt your music in for sync licensing. This one can be a huge game changer if your song is selected. We are talking nationwide, maybe even international coverage of your song, depending on who uses it, of course. Now, we are going to stray a little bit, but trust me, it's all interconnected. This music game is pay to win. Most social media sites where you're posting your music have a promote or advertise option. Definitely consider using this. Most have a way to really put your promo vids in front of your target audience, and you can get to choose how much you want to spend and for how many days you want to run the promo. Remember, these services can only put your content in front of people. They cannot give you likes, they cannot guarantee that people will actually engage with your content. That unfortunately is up to you, and I guess a little bit up to luck as well. So, any service that says they can give you likes and engagement is using dirty deeds and not in a cool Dean Ambrose kind of way. Another thing that for some reason is frowned upon but is a great promo tactic is reposting. You posted a video a year ago advertising your song, maybe a little snippet, or you put the chorus out and you're singing it. That was maybe a year ago. A whole new group of people could see your video. It could drive in a whole new group of people to stream your music, old and new. Last one I can think of is interaction. Someone wants to collab, great. Now your audiences can cross over. Someone does a duet that you like using your sound, like and leave a comment. It's always awesome when the creator comments. It's why people literally hire people to run their social media. That's all I have for you guys today. If you can think of any more great promotional tips for artists, United Masters, or whatever distributor they are using, please share it with us in the comments. Don't gatekeep. Let's put everyone on game. Consider liking and subscribing to the channel if you're not already, and have an amazing day.